paying a blind bit of attention to what I'm saying, because you're all too busy tucking for the vultures. Should we do a few more? Yeah, let's do a few more, because they're flying amazingly well today. Here we come. Crossovers of vultures. Oh, fantastic. Oh, what we really want to do is we want to get these birds to push off a little bit, and we want to get them to fly even better. So we're now going to introduce you to a kite, next of all. Now entering the arena is not 1, not 2, not even 3, but we're going to introduce you to 12 European black kites that are now slowly but surely entering the arena. So just to recap, we have got 5 African hooded vultures and 12 European black kites. They're all now slowly but surely going to enter the arena to join the fray. Now again, these birds do all the talking for themselves, so just sit back, relax. We're going to play you another beautiful bit of music and just watch these birds soar and glide.